Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to upload a post to your Instagram account on the instagram.com website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. But first you should open the website on your device. After that, you should tap on this create button in the left side column of the screen. Tap on select from computer in the middle, and then you should select the video or photo that you would like to upload. After that, you should tap on this upload button. Here you can see it. Click on the button next. At the top you can choose from these filters that you can apply, and you can do adjustments such as brightness, contrast, saturation, and so on. Then tap on the next button in the upper right corner, and then you can click and tag people. You can write a caption, add location, accessibility, and advanced settings, and tap on the share button in the upper right corner of the screen to share your post. So as you can see, your post has been shared and it can be checked at your account. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.